And now, for the much talked about, truly distinct Keter folding work table. Imagine a workbench so compact and portable, you can bring it from this to this in just 2 seconds. That's right! Thanks to its unique patented opening system, all you have to do is grasp the opening on both sides, pull in the release latches, and there you have it! A practical workstation that saves you ample storage space. And it's sturdy enough to hold up to 1,000 pounds or 450 kilograms. You can even store your toolbox on its bottom level, keeping your tools always within hand's reach. But there's more. The unit also includes 2 clamps that can be easily mounted both horizontally and vertically, making it easy to saw, brush, nail, and do just about anything. So there you have it, the distinct heavy-duty Keter folding work table. You really can't get more practical than that.
Keter Do-It-Myself Show.